Hello, this is Brijraj Bhatt from Mitanshi Technologies and I welcome you all to another video on my Shopify series. Today we will learn how to fulfill an order on Shopify. Order fulfillment is an important part of an e-commerce store. It represents a status that tells us that the order has been delivered to the customer. It helps the online store owners to track each and every progress and status of the order. And please mind that order fulfillment doesn't directly relate to the actual delivery of the product to the customer. With this in mind, let us see how we can fulfill an order in Shopify. Basically, there are three methods. The first is the manual method. The second is when Shopify automatically fulfills an order for us. And the third method is partial fulfillment. We will see all these methods in detail. So let's dive right into it. So the first method we are looking at is how to manually fulfill an order. Let's open our store and there are three products right now. And say if I buy Ray-Ban glasses and I click on buy it now, I'll fill in the details here. I've filled in the details. I'll click on pay now. As you can see, the order has been placed. So I'll go back and I'll click on the orders page. Right now we can see the order is unfulfilled as of now. So I'll click on the order number and I will click on the button fulfill item. I will have to add the tracking number. You can get this number from the agency that is sending the product. I don't have any tracking number right now, so I'll just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll have to choose a carrier. I'll go with this one. And when I will click on fulfill item option, and if I go back to the orders page, you will see the status has been changed to fulfilled. This is how you can manually fulfill an order in Shopify. Now let's see how we can do the same thing, but this time Shopify will automatically label it as fulfilled. For this, search here order processing. It's in the general settings. See, this is the general page. And if you scroll down and click on automatically fulfill orders line items, and you can click on this check boxes if you like, if you want to notify customers of their shipment, and if you want to automatically fulfill all orders. This time I say if I buy Levi's, I'll click on buy it now. Again, I'll fill in the details. I'll click on pay now button. I have placed the order. Now if I click on the orders page and see, we will see that the order has been fulfilled automatically by Shopify. So this is how Shopify can fulfill an order for you. Now let's look at how we can handle partial fulfillment of orders. First, I'll have to change the settings again. It's done. Click on Save. Now let's open the store. Now if I place orders, say if I buy 3 Levi's jeans and click on Add to Cart, then I'll go to Ray-Ban glasses and buy 4 of them and click on Add to Cart. I'll click on Checkout. I'll fill in the details again. The order has been placed. Now say there are 7 items in total, and say um, the store doesn't have everything in stock, so not all orders can be fulfilled. So what the store owner can do in this condition is that you can go to orders. You can see the fulfillment status is unfulfilled as of now. I'll click here. There are 4 Ray-Ban glasses and 3 Levi's jeans, and let's say if only 1 Ray-Ban glass and 1 Levi's jeans is available, then what he can do is click on Fulfill Items, and here he has to mention how much he can fulfill. So let's say he writes just 1 for Ray-Ban glasses and 1 for Levi's jeans. He will have to add the tracking number provided by the agency, and he will have to choose a shipping carrier. Now if I click on Fulfill Items, we can see that 5 of the products are still unfulfilled and 2 of them are fulfilled. So we will get partially fulfilled status here. So this is how you can easily manage fulfillment of orders on Shopify. We have gone through all the 3 methods, and you just saw how easy it is to manage the orders. So that's it for today. I'll be back again with an even more amazing video. Till then, wait for me and stay safe, and I'll see you soon.